still don't know if I want a truck. It's so big. Like, I felt like I had never driven before when I was backing out. I don't know. Let's see if we can make it. We're on our way to the trailer.
He doesn't even want a farm truck. How ridiculous is that?
I do want a farm truck. We're on our way to the rental company right now to get our stump grinder. It's going to be an adventure because I've never really towed anything in my life. So yeah, we got about a 40-minute drive back to the farm from the rental company on a couple different busy roads. Should be fun. Woo! What you think, bud? What do you think? Should we get a truck?
Yes.
Yes. This thing has Wi-Fi in it, a heated steering wheel. It's pretty crazy, the features it has. We made it. Let's go.
Where's the stump grinder?
This is how we do it. And then, okay. Unhook that. Alright. Okay. Unhook the chain. We're gonna go off the ball, right? Are we off the ball?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, let's bring Grandma's truck back. Why don't you guys get in, okay?
Ooh, I'm shaking. I'm so cold.
They're getting Grandma's truck now.
Yep, let's get Grandma's
They're
truck back.
getting Grandma's truck.
Very interesting. I've never... really sure the best way to... Seems like you probably would want this level, correct? To back it out.
That seems level.
Okay. We gotta undo the straps. Like that and drive over it, so it's easier to sink it back up when we're ready to take this back. Right?
Right. I'm just gonna move this over.
this thing off of the 337.6.
I did not expect that either.
It was like, what's happening? Oh, all right. Here. Feel how hard this is. Hopefully, it's frozen yet, so this is going to be interesting.
I don't know, some parts I'm walking on are
We need to
soft.
Hard here.
Yeah, can I do with you?
Am I just being wussy-ish? Like, I gotta figure this out a little bit. So I gotta go, that's the blueberry stump. So there's really nothing here, right?
That's the stump.
Yeah, so I need to go forward more and just, okay, watch out, back up a little bit. It's not very loud, is it?
Move back, buddy, behind mommy.
It's actually going really well so far. I did about a half an hour. And I've gotten 8 bushes taken care of so far. I believe I have a very solid shot of getting everything in this field taken care of before our 8-hour time limit runs out. Check out what it looks like. Does a pretty decent job. Not too loud, but I'm going to go grab some headphones, put my AirPods in, and listen to a podcast while I keep going on this. So far, once again, pretty epic start to the day. All right. And while we're here, why not? Let's waste some more time. See if we can get the father-in-law's truck started. I charged the battery pack up again, but it's warmer today. It's warm. So I'm going to open this hood and let that sunlight bask, or let the engine bask in the beautiful sunlight. All right, feel that in the wrist. Well, it's been about 6.5 hours and I just finished the field. Once again, this used to be a blue crop field. Blue crop are a variety of blueberries, an older variety, very robust. A lot of these plants were pulled out last year for another farmer to transplant. So yeah, that feels really good. But what we're going to do here is we're going to put some grow boxes, some planter boxes, peppers, etc. But to be able to rototill the field and get this even, we had to get these blueberries ground down. I have a huge stump behind me near where we like to camp that I'm going to go hit next before I run out of the 8-hour time limit I have on this piece of equipment. There is a ton of the remnants of that stump left over. I'm going to go get a wheelbarrow and a shovel and try to get some of it out of the way. It's making the stump grinder go up at a crazy angle because there's so much stuff there. What an amazingly beautiful day. I mean, couldn't ask for a better late March, or actually it's a Good Friday. What a beautiful Good Friday. I am nearly smoked though, I'm not gonna lie. Between hauling all those trees yesterday and now wrangling this beast and getting this stuff, I'm ready for a bomb good meal, maybe some tacos, good night's sleep, and get this thing back to the rental place tomorrow. It's funny how you can hear all the chainsaws just blasting throughout the neighborhood. Everybody's out getting a touch of that spring fever. Cleaning, landscaping, project work, you name it. Such an awesome day. I found picking this stuff up with my hands, this goes way much faster, so much faster than using that old shovel. Making decent progress. Dude, this thing is like the never-ending stump. I've been going on it for over an hour. Taking, I don't know, 10 loads of sawdust. And look at this yet. It's huge. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it before I run out of our 8 hours. I'm going to keep trying, but holy crap, I did not think chestnut could be so resilient. That started out as one tree. And it was like, as big around as a nice dining table. It's over. It's over. The chestnut tree is gone. I feel like that was more work than doing the whole entire field of blue crop. I've taken load after load after load of the dust. I put it on the fire pit. I've put it in the field to fill in holes from bushes that we pulled. And I still have loads left. I cannot believe the amount of sawdust that came off of that stump. Overall, wrapping up for the day. The wife and kiddo are on their way. So we got to get this thing loaded up and prepared for our early return to the storage or to the rental place tomorrow morning. Thank you. I've not eaten all day. Thank you. I got to go show them what they're doing, what to do. They don't know what they're doing. Makes me wonder if it would have worked out better to leave it on the hitch when we first drove it off. That makes sense, right?
Oh, I see what you mean. Yes. Yes.
That scared me.
What you said.
Yes.
Is it clipped in on the...
Yeah, it's all clipped in. It scared the crap out of me when we did that. What's up?
I wonder if it's okay if I could just be like standing right here while it's going on.
Yeah, just be careful, okay? If you're going to stand right there, you got to stand right there, okay?
us a second to clean this. And we got the gas on. The gas in it. So,
Dad, I want to do this one.
what's that?
I'm going to do this one. Dad, you get the white one and I'll get the rest.
All right. And that's a wrap on the stump grinder.
Well, almost, because we got to bring it back, but tomorrow. But it's a wrap for today. Ready, bud? Watch out. You said you wanted to do it. You pull the pin out. No, you got to pull the pin out. Pull the pin out.
No.
There you go.
How can I do it?
Yep. Push. It's so heavy.
Got that!
All right. Let's get the key from Grandma.